might be a bit difficult to pronounce my first name, so Babis is the short name we use for me. I'm a associate professor at Piraeus University of Applied Sciences. You may see it in the project with our old name, Technological Educational Institute of Piraeus. And I'm here to give you a short presentation on the project and our advances so far. So, let's take a look at the objectives. This is a text taken out of the description of work and the proposal we had. And if we could focus on what's important to us, I would say that these are our objectives, these are our goals. To provide a platform reaching TRL 7, having a specific milestones which mark our process, and the idea is to create a solution for citizen security involving agencies, associations, and including pilots, taking into consideration our compliance to regulations and a multi-channel approach. As I said earlier, we have a specific plan in which we're guided and we're reporting our results with respect to TRLs. We're about to reach TRL 1 in month 12, which is the selection of use cases and the full requirements of what we need to provide defined. As you see, our plan is to go from design to implementation, provision of prototypes, and then start training, evaluation, improving our platform in order to deliver it to a TRL 7. Now, what this means in terms of work packages is included in this table, where you see our approach from architecture towards design, towards implementation, and you see that by year 2, a bit earlier than year 2, after we have the experimental proof of concept in TRL 3, we start with our validations first in the lab and then through pilots, 2 pilots, pilot alpha and pilot beta. We also include training, and I will get into more details on that. We start with mockups. Mockups, in fact, will be available in a few months from now. We also have early prototypes before we reach the final 3D platform. We will include training in terms of game-based training, and here we have in mind of deploying an alternative reality game based on real and virtual events, and it's University of Greenwich which is supporting this mainly. We have selected our use cases, and since the proposal phase we have 4 scenario domains, which is crime and justice, public protection, disaster relief, emergency and public safety services, and event and crowd management. Based on that, we have elaborated and we have created more scenarios, 5 scenarios in different flavors, reaching up to 11, which are not the only cases that we're considering. The approach that we have followed is a way to be able to fully cover all the technological goods that we have or we may produce and use them into creating a comprehensive platform. So our use cases and scenarios the means to make sure that we make good use of technology. But not only that, we have to take into account the end users. And as I said earlier, we have many ways throughout the project to evaluate what we're what we're building, training sessions, mockups, and the 2 pilots. Now, I will go into more details on how we're going to do this. In this slide, you see the work packages. Normally, this is a boring slide, but if you focus on the colors, it's our philosophy. With blue, light blue, you see the work packages which are targeted at the end users. So what we have thought of is having a core of technological developments highlighted in yellow color, which is embraced by a set of work packages which are addressed for the end users. And we started with this work package 2, which is LEA and citizens engagement, the use case and requirements, and this provides input to the technical work packages, which then